As promised, here's the room rates and room tour ng pinagstayan namin sa Coral Beach Club. Before ko ipakita sa inyo yung rates, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga classification ng rooms nila para may reference kayo for the rates later. This is deluxe, nakatapat siya sa beach and sa pool. This is super deluxe, beside siya ng pool and ng beach. Sa left side naman, yung mga mismong beach front and beach view room. Sorry na guys, binagala ko talaga para iwas bulol. Hello to Power, our pickup truck. So, ayan yung parking nila guys. And ito naman yung mga premier room. Sa gilid lang to ng deluxe. Dahil bigla ang trip lang to, hindi ko napansin na meron palang classification ng room. Kaya ina-advise ko na kayo guys para aware na rin kayo kung magbobook din kayo dito sa susunod. So, pagpasok nyo, meron dyan table and dalawang chairs, electric fan, and my door. Pwede siyang connecting siguro na room para sa kabila kung magkasama kayo. May TV with cable, ref, water heater, complimentary water, tea, and coffee. Okay din na yung rack, diretso hanggang vanity. Tapos may dalawang side table and may cabinet dito na may vault din. And this is the bathroom. Meron na rin naka-ready na dalawang towel for beach and pool, guys. And this is the shower area. May hot and cold water na rin yan. This is the lavatory. May ilaw dyan. Di ko lang nabuksan. And this is the toilet. Complete with white towels din, guys. And toiletries. Kaya lang, pa-check out na kami ito. Kaya ganito na itsura. As per checking sa picture sa ibang rooms, halos pare-pares lang yung itsura niya. Yung location lang pinagkaiba. At yung pina-charge to bill namin na isang lunch and isang merienda. Nasa 1,000 plus siya. So, check out na kami, guys. Tapos, ito yung picture ng breakfast namin. May menu naman na pwedeng pagpilian. May rice and may bread. And lastly, this is their rate. If you want discounts, you can check Agoda and their Facebook page. Itatag ko na lang dito sa post. Yun lang. Thank you for watching, guys. Follow for more.